In this video, I am going to discuss about the Cannon-Bird theory of emotion. The Cannon-Bird theory of emotion is a physiological theory developed by Walter Cannon and Philip Bird in the year 1920s and 1930s. It challenges the earlier James Lange theory of emotion and proposes a different explanation of how emotions and physiological responses occur. The James Lange theory suggests that emotions result from physiological reactions to events. For example, we feel afraid because we tremble. Cannon and Bird disagreed, arguing that physiological responses are too slow to account for the rapid experience of emotions, and that similar physiological response can be associated with different emotions. For example, both fear and excitement can cause an increased heart rate. Here are the key details of the Cannon-Bird theory. Simultaneous emotion and physiological response. The Cannon-Bird theory posits that when an individual encounters a stimulus, the brain simultaneously triggers both the emotional experience and the physiological arousal. This means that the emotional feeling, for example fear and happiness, and the body's physical reactions, for example increased heart rate, sweating, happens at the same time and independently of each other. For example, if you see the bear, your brain, specifically the thalamus, processes the information and triggers two simultaneous responses. And then you feel fear, your body starts to sweat, your heart rate increases, and you might start trembling. According to the Cannon-Bird theory, these emotional and physiological responses happen at the same time, not one after the other. The role of the thalamus. According to Cannon and Bird, the thalamus, a part of the brain, plays a crucial role in processing emotions. They believe that when a stimulus is perceived, the thalamus sends signals to both cerebral cortex where the emotional experience is registered and the autonomic nervous system which governs physiological responses. This dual signal results in simultaneous emotional and physiological reactions. Now, the criticism of the Cannon-Bird theory. Critics argue that theory oversimplifies the neural pathway involved in emotions. Modern neuroscience has shown that different emotions can involve different pathways and brain regions, not just the thalamus. The theory does not adequately account for the role of the limbic system, particularly the amygdala, which is crucial in processing emotions. Some researchers believe that physiological feedback can indeed influence emotions. Studies show that manipulating physiological states like posture or facial expressions can affect emotional experiences, suggesting a more complex interaction between the body and the emotions than the Cannon-Bird theory proposes. The subsequent research has provided more support for the other theories of emotion, such as the Schachter-Singer theory, which integrates both physiological arousal and cognitive interpretation in the experience of emotions. So, to sum up, the Cannon-Bird theory posits that emotions and physiological responses occur simultaneously in response to a stimulus. Despite criticism for oversimplifying neural pathways and ignoring the limbic system's role, it remains foundational in emotion research, emphasizing the concurrent experience of emotional and physical reactions. Now, try this.